Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings with $100. And let's get started. It's so crazy that this year is winding down. I am starting to get strategize and think about my goals for 2026. If you have not, check out my Kofi. The link is down below in the description box. I did put up a freebie as it's like a goal sheet to just help us kind of like think about our goals for the upcoming year. If it's like financial goals, family goals, health goals, any personal goals, anything that you want. Yeah, go check out my Kofi, and there is a freebie there for you guys to download and kind of put together your goals for 2026. All right, enough of that. This is every Friday of 2025. I am putting the $21 in here, and this goes towards an extra payment of debt. Oh, I almost couldn't get that out. So $21. And at the end of the month, I will add up how much we save and then put that towards that extra payment. Next is weekly savings. This is created by Norella's Budgets. And what I am doing, I didn't even get my D8. Where's my D8? I am rolling a D8, and I am saving for my son's senior year. And let's see, $4. How did we get all? I don't know. I don't know what happened. But that is for the last week of November. What I'm doing, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is Save with Judy. I don't know what I was about to say. This is, each icon is $5, and the whole total is $300. So this is also for his senior year. So let me go ahead and color in some pie. Oh, I forgot to color this in. Let's color that in. Color in a slice of pie. Perfect. Let's color this one now. What kind of pie should I make this? I don't know. Ooh, that crust a little dark there. Let's make it, I don't know. We just keep on with the orange. Can't think of nothing. All right, so $5 is going into here. Perfect. All right, next we are going to this senior 2026. This is created by myself. You can find this in my Etsy or in my Kofi. And I am rolling a D. Is this a D12? No, this is, yeah, I think this is a D12. Yes, I am rolling a D12. No, I'm not rolling D12. I'm rolling a D20. I am rolling a D20 to see how much I'm saving for my son's senior again. Let's see. $14. Did we already do 14? Oh, we already did 14. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, since I already did 14, I am going to put 14 right there, because I already got it scratched off there. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. And that's kind of how I'm doing this. I'm just rolling a 20-sided die, because these numbers that's already put on here is 1 through 20. And once I scratch off the paper here, If I already scratched it and I roll it, I'm just going to add it to the blank one. You can do it that way, or you can make each blank one $1. You can roll a D4, a D6. The possibilities are endless. All right, so next we are going to say 2025 and 2025. I am almost finished with this. I can't believe it. So what I am doing is scratching 2 off and then put in an IOU so I can know next week how much to put in here. Since these have scratches on it, and I need to know how much for my budget. Where is my little spongy thingy majigga? All right, so I owe this one 35, 10, 10, 20, 30, and 5 for last week. And this is going to my taxes. Yes. But at least I'm ahead. I am proud of myself for that. So let's swipe this IOU off. And let's go ahead and scratch. Let's roll a D6. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7. All right, so we got 7 and let me see, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. Okay, got some low numbers there. I love that. Should I try to do 3? Look at me, just being greedy. Should I do 3? To make it even, because that's 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's do 3. Oh Lord, what I'm gonna do? What I'm doing? I don't know. 1. Oh, these was where the higher ones were. Oh no, 1 here. Did I go here? So I think I go here. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I should have stopped. Why you guys didn't tell me? All right, let's go ahead and get that. Let's add that up and see how much we bring in next week. 25, 7, 32. Okay, well, we did 35 this week, so we do 32 next week. So let's make sure that's right. Yes, 32. So $32 for next week. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, look, I'm about to get the money. So 32 for next week. Or should I put in, now that I'm thinking, should I put in 5 now and only do 27? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Hold on. Wait a minute. So let's scratch this out. And then let's do 27 for next week. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this 5. Yes. All right. Okay. So cute. We almost done. Ah! Okay. Next, let's see what we gonna do. Fill the jar. Should we put the rest into fill the jar? Should I put the rest? Let's put another, I want to do another $5 into this one. Let's see. Let's do another 5. So I'm just going to put 5 there. And put another 5 in here. Perfect. And then we do the rest into the fill the jar. And this is going towards our family vacation for next year. So, I have 10 and 11. So let's get our markers. Okay, let's see. Do I have any more 5s? No, of course not. So let's do, I need my calculator because I will forget. 11 minus, can you guys see that okay? Let me go ahead and put the 11 in here before I forget. Okay. And let's go ahead and do a yellow. Let's do this 3 here. Or let's do this 4. So minus 4. All right. And let's do, let's do another 4. Excuse me. Excuse me, my voice. So 4. And we got a 3. So where is what 3 we want to do? Let's do this one right in the middle. Let's do that purple. Or should we do it blue? Let's do it blue. And that will be the $11. And this totals $100. And this is created by NASA Budgets. Perfect. Perfect. Coming along. All right, gems, that is it. $100 put into my year of savings. Oh, I cannot wait to see or start thinking about what 2026 is going to look like as far as my finances and budget, because I mean things are changing. My son will graduate and go off into the Space Force, and my daughter, she's in college pursuing her degree in nursing. It's like, it's me and my husband, so things are going to kind of change. It might be more vacation budgeting. But that is it. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.